my channel. It's your girl Aaliyahjonel, and if you are a new, I had to get close for you guys because I almost slipped and fell out the chair. But if you are a new subscriber on my channel, hi, it's your girl Aaliyahjonel. I am 24. I've graduated from college, and I am fun as hell. Like, come on and subscribe to me or whatever. You feel me? But now, if you are new, you should press that red button, and after you press that red button, you should totally press that bell button, because every time I post a video, you will get the notification, and then that means that you're the real MVP, you know. But I'm not gonna get emotional. We're just gonna get to this video. So today's video is about the hair company by the name Vanlov. I have received 4 bundles and a closure from Vanlov, and we're going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to get this sewn into my head on Monday, so I will make another video after the hair is installed, and I will tell you how I actually feel about the hair. But this is just a quick unboxing of what the hair looks like when it comes. So I ordered 4 bundles and a closure of Vanlov Brazilian Bodywave. Say February, wow, I'm pushing months. I ordered it January 12th, and it came 13, 14, 15. It came on January 16th. So that's about 4 days. It took 4 days to get here. It came via FedEx. So once the package comes to you, it's going to be in a FedEx. I took the packaging out. I just like the bag. So once you open the packaging for FedEx, you're going to see this bag, which is where the hair is, and it says on the bag Vanlov, and on the bottom it has www.vanlov.com, which is their website. They are not on AliExpress. They have their own official site where I ordered the hair from, which is a plus also. So packaging wise, I would give them a 10, because when you order, you guys know when you order hair from AliExpress, it comes in like this ugly ass plastic bag, and you just want to get your hair in a pretty container, or like a pretty, just show me that you care, okay? AliExpress vendors, just show me that you care, you know, okay? So Vanlov gives you this pretty bag, and inside the bag is goodies. So inside the bag, you will get a pair of lashes. You will also obviously get the hair, and you will receive a thank you card. And it says thank you from www.vanlov.com. It also says in the back, if you make a video, you get $20 in cash. If your views over 10,000, you could get $100 in cash. If you post a video on Instagram and all that jazz. So, and now we're going to talk about the bundles. Before we get into the bundles, we're actually going to go over the closure. This is what the closure looks like. I got my closure 18-inch Bodywave, Brazilian Bodywave. So this is how it looks. So now we're going to just take it out of the packaging. I was going to dye it, honestly. I was going to dye like the root of the closure, like a light brown, like have like one streak of the hair brown. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to leave it black, so I could just deal with that. Because I haven't had black hair in a while, other than my natural hair. So I just want to, I think I'm just going to stay black. For right now, I'll stay black. So this is what the closure looks like. The closure comes with baby hairs, and because I'm getting a side part, I'm actually not mad at the baby hairs on the closure. I'm gonna run my hand through it. Okay, and I'm also gonna do it this way. Okay, and after you run your hands through it, you're gonna get about a few pieces, which is like 2, which is not, I'm not mad at that. And I'm gonna tell my hairstylist to give me a side part. So, yeah, let me just smell the closure. I'm sick, so I don't know how much. Oh, I can smell some of it in the hair. It doesn't have a bad smell. So, I'm a little excited about that. So, we're going to put it back in the wrapping. Ow, ow, you're getting stuck to everything. Honestly, I hate these nets sometimes, but I keep them after I get my hair done because I put my wigs in it. So, yeah, I don't know why I would be mad at that, but whatever. So, I'm gonna just put this back in the container real quick. Put it in the container. Put back in the plastic bag before it gets messed up. Go! I'm a kid. Okay. So that's the closure, and now we're gonna get to the bundles. So the lengths of the bundles, I got 24, 22, 18, 24, 22, 20, and 18. Those are the lengths of my bundles. So we're gonna start with the longest one. This is 24 inches. I'll show you so you can realize. 24 inches. This is how the bundles look. It comes with the tag that says 100% human hair, total quality, top quality human hair in the style Bodywave, and around it it says 100% human hair. We're gonna take it out of the packaging. It comes with a rubber band around it, which I just took off, and then you basically open it like this. Take the bundle out. So, each bundle is wrapped up in a net, which is also great. So I'm giving the packaging of the bundles a 10, just because every bundle comes with a net on it, which means the hair was secured. So this is what the 24 inches look like, and if I put 24 inches on, like by me, 24 inches stops right by my hip. Yeah, like right by my waist. So that's okay. That's good. I was going for long anyway, honestly. So this is how the bundle looks outside. Package is very bouncy. I'm very excited. Very excited. So I'm gonna put my hand through it. And then I'm gonna put my hand through it again. And I didn't get no strands. So 22 inches, no shedding, and not a smell. Again, I said I'm not gonna dye it. I should dye them all black though. Should dye it all black. I might dye it black, just so it could be jet black. Like I want blue black. I think I'm gonna dye it blue black. I'll ask my mom if she thinks it's a good idea, and then I'll do it. That's my boyfriend. He has his own ringtone, cause I love him. Go in the thing. Wow, I suck at this. Oh my god. Yo, this is hilarious. This is freaking hilarious. Alright, you know what? I'm not even gonna fight with that right now. So we're gonna add 22. Again, all bundles come with the same packaging. So I'm just gonna take it out of the... Okay. So again, there's a net around the hair. Just gonna take it off. Again, this is 22 inches, right? Yeah. So this is a 22-inch bundle. I'm gonna put my hand through it. And again, no pieces, no shedding, and no smell. I'm actually not gonna put it back in the net right now, just in case my mom says maybe I should, because I want black hair. Like I don't want natural 1B. I want black hair. So I think I am gonna do, like, give the hair a rinse in black color, just because. This is the 20 inches. This is the 20 inches, bouncy as well. And through. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Crap. That way. And then that way. Okay, that one I got one piece out of, one strand. And no smell. Well, it has a little smell. That bundle had a little smell. Not a lot, a little. So, this is the last bundle. This is the 18-inch bundle. Okay. Again, net on each bundle. Take it out. Okay, and here you go. Bouncy like all the other bundles. And we're gonna put my hand through it and through it again. No strands. No smell. Okay, so for right now, the ratings for this hair, all the bundles, only one, the 20-inch bundle had, it came, one strand came out while I was putting my hands through it. But other than that, I had no shedding, and they don't really smell. So right now, with the bundles, I'm giving the bundles a 9 out of 10. I don't want to give them a 10 out of 10 because I didn't install the hair yet. So right now, bundles get a 9 out of 10. The closure, because of the way it is and the way I want this look to go, I'm not mad at the way it came. So I'm also gonna give that a 9 out of 10. And when I install the hair, I will make another video talking about the hair, how the process went with sewing in the closure and da-da-da-da-da. That's the end of this video. See how quick and easy this video was? If you are not subscribed to my channel, maybe you should subscribe to my channel. I'm actually a cool person, honestly. I'm very cool. I'm very hilarious. And the videos that I have in store for you guys are going to be dope as hell. So maybe you should subscribe. You can press that red button. You can also click my big ass head right here to subscribe to my channel. After you subscribe, click that bell button. Once you click that bell button, that means you will get notifications whenever whenever excuse me, I post a new video. Also, the information about this hair and where you can find this hair will be in the description bar below. All my social media accounts will be in the description bar below. My new business, Mari's Angel Hair Instagram, will also be in the description bar below. I will be selling lashes, and the day that my business goes public will be April 23rd. So keep that date, April 23rd. Mark it in your calendars. That's when I will officially have my website up and you officially could buy my lashes. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out. Chew you.